Dude, this is a rant to YouTubers. I just want to talk in this video unfiltered, as raw and as authentic as possible. YouTubers, I want you to stop relying on sponsorships, on AdSense, on affiliates, on brand deals. YouTubers, you guys are way too powerful to just rely on these methods of making money. Don't you want to achieve like financial freedom, like time freedom, like location freedom? Like, let's actually do like a visualization. Like, close your eyes and let's actually imagine what it would be like to live a life where you're able to spend money on exactly what you want. You're able to provide for the people in your life. You're able to get the recognition from the other people in your life, your friends, your family. They look at you as that girl or that guy as like, dang, like he really did the thing that he said he always wanted to do. He's making money online. He's able to get the things that he wants. He's able to go to this place. He's able to live here. He's able to get that high-rise penthouse, that high-rise apartment. He has that car that he always wanted. Now, all these things, of course, are material, and the number one thing that we always should focus on is God the Most High, of course. But I mean, we're in the world at the moment, so it's okay to like these things. It's okay to want these things. My thing is though, like you're never going to achieve that life if you never like shoot for it. If you never like aim for it. It's not enough to just kind of want it. Like it's not enough to kind of just like say you want that life. And even if you say to yourself like you don't want that life, like are you sure like you're being truthful with yourself? Like are you being honest with yourself? Or are you kind of just saying you don't want it because you don't want to for one try and you don't think that you can get it? Like let's really think about it. A lot of YouTubers I talk to, and just from like how their channels are, for one, it doesn't seem like they know how to monetize their channel. And even if they do, it seems like they're just not doing it well. So like for one, like it seems like they aren't doing it well, and then they aren't actually doing the exact research to figure out how to do it well. Like I feel like a lot of the people that I talk to and like just in the space I'm in, it's kind of one in a million for people who are like kind of like I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, but I'm a go getter. Like I'm a like try to become the best of the best. And I'm going to do that by studying the best. From what I just see like on a daily basis, it kind of just seems like people coast. People are kind of just fine with being average and mediocre, and that's okay if that's truly what you want. But as a human being, there's no way you're okay with just being average and mediocre. Relying on AdSense sponsorships and affiliates was never supposed to be the main source of income as a YouTuber. Notice how YouTube takes money from the amount of people that watch your videos and the amount of money that ads pay to get shown in your video. Like YouTube takes a very very hearty percentage of that. If YouTube really wanted AdSense and to just be like the main source of income, they wouldn't take any money. They would only take a little bit. They wouldn't take as much as they do. To make a living off AdSense, you need millions of subscribers. Like I was watching a video from Modern Millie. I'm sure if you guys are on YouTube, you know who she is. I watched a video of how much she made in 2024. It was the most amount of money she has made from AdSense like ever in all of her years of YouTube. First of all, she has 566K subscribers, and the amount of money that she made. Well, for one, she also has been posting for years, and the amount of money that she made was 100K. So 100K divided by what was that 12? That's about what 8K a month, maybe 8 to 7K a month, and that's even before taxes. So Modern Millie has over close to 600K subscribers, which for one, most YouTubers just don't have. Truth and the fact, most YouTubers just don't have that. Most YouTubers don't have the amount of subscribers that she has. She has that much subscribers, and she got millions of views that year in 2024. She only made 100K. Cool, 100K might be cool for you if that's fine, but most likely you don't want to just make 100K in a year. You want to make maybe 100K in a month. That's what I'm going for. I'm going for 1 million a month. You probably want to make that much in a month, but you're never going to do so if you don't actually implement certain things to get to that level. Like for example, like you might see 100K in a year, and that might be fine for you, but it's only fine for you if you truly think that that's the life you want to live. Most likely, if you're on the internet and you're in the online space, that's not what you want to do. You want to achieve more. You want to accomplish more. So imagine only making 100K, and this is before taxes, by the way. So that's only like what, maybe 5 6K in a month. And most people aren't Modern Millie. Most people don't have millions of views in a year. Most people don't have over 600K subscribers. So what are we supposed to do? Like, what are we actually supposed to do? Well, if you're smart, like Modern Millie is, she actually obviously knows that relying on AdSense isn't enough for her. She made 100K and that was her best year yet. And she's a very, very good YouTuber. She has other things where she sells on top of the fact of the AdSense. So she has created her very own offer to sell to her audience. Listen, if you want to achieve the life that I know you see on the internet, it's not going to work if, for one, you don't even attempt to try. It's not enough to wish. It's not enough to want. It's not enough to just like, oh man, I wish I could be like that other YouTuber who is financially free. It's not enough. It's not enough. You need to put in the actual actions to get to that point. Life is cause and effect. Life is a set of actions that leads to a set of results. A set of actions will always lead to a set of results, and like life is cause and effect. So if you set up an offer and you sell it correctly, you will make money from the offer. Simple as that. I don't know if maybe YouTubers are kind of just scared of monetizing from their audience, like scared to sell to their audience. Maybe they don't know how to monetize. Maybe they're just lazy. And that's honestly the truth. I think most people are just lazy. Most people just kind of don't want it. That's okay. But if you don't want it, like that's okay to not want it hard enough, but stop wishing for the lifestyle then. Stop wishing for the life that you see. Stop wishing for the life that you see if you're not willing to put in the effort to get to the life that you want. Like you're just gonna be in a constant state of pain, knowing you're not good enough to actually put in the effort to get to that life, as well as not actually having the life as well. So YouTubers, I just want to kind of just talk about this because this is something that I feel like I am coming across very, very often. Like YouTube channels that like are kind of just half decently monetized. Maybe they just threw up a simple sales page and a simple little 997 course, not living up to their full potential. YouTubers are the most powerful people on the internet. The most powerful people on the internet. More powerful than people on Twitter, more powerful than Instagram, more powerful than TikTok, of course, obviously, more powerful than Facebook. The attention that one gets from YouTube and the ability to get people to subscribe to you, to videos that you post that are 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes long, is a skill unlike anybody else on the internet. Nobody else has this skill. So if you're an educational or informational YouTuber who actually is posting valuable content and he or she is attracting and getting people to subscribe to them, people value you. People want further help from you. People value you. People love you. People trust you. The people saying that we're in a trust recession right now, I don't give a sorry, I'm not trying to curse, but I don't give a freak about none of that stuff. I don't care about the trust recession. People will trust you if they feel that they can trust you. There's no such thing as a trust recession. It's just a buzzword people like to say. Like if you put out value, if you're personable, if you're a good person, if you genuinely want to help the people that are watching you, I mean, dude, like there's no such thing as trust recession. People will trust you. So if you want the lifestyle that like you see other people using, like for example, Hamza, he's making over 100K a month at the moment. YouTuber just similar like you, but he's making over 100K a month right now. He's able to kind of just do the things he wants to do. He's retired his parents. He's retired his family. He's able to do anything he wants, live life on his own terms. Hamza doesn't have to post all the time anymore to make money because he knows he'll have a certain amount coming in every single month, regardless of how many videos he posts, how many views he gets. That's why once you get to that point, that's when you can truly post and record and post the videos that you really want to post and record. For example, with Hamza now, the videos that he creates now is things that he actually wants to create. So before to get when he was kind of because I know Hamza's story before he was when he was going broke at 20K a month, he was posting videos that he didn't even want to post. He was posting to an audience that he didn't even really like, and he was only doing this so that he could maintain his 20K a month. This is before he started selling an offer. So Hamza got to 20K a month without an offer. Most YouTubers, for one, aren't going to get there, but he got to 20K a month without an offer. And but he realized that he had 20K a month, but he was still going broke because of how much expenses and how demanding it was to actually like get get all those videos out and actually produce them. On top of the fact that he also was living a very, very inflated lifestyle, but he was just burnt out. He was had to post. He pretty much posted every single day at the exact same time, wasting all his money, going broke, didn't have enough money, burnt out. Then he eventually started an actual offer, and he scaled that offer all the way to $200,000 a month, while posting less. So I mean, listen, like with YouTubers, like this is not like you're not gonna get the result that you want. You're not gonna get the lifestyle that you wanted when you started YouTube in the first place. You started YouTube because you want to be creative. You want an audience. You want to help people, of course, but you wanted the fame, the status, the authority. You like YouTube, you like recording, you like creating. You're only going to like and enjoy it if you have the money to be able to do so without worrying about, is am I gonna be able to pay the rent or the bills for the month? Like, that leads to burnout. That leads to you not wanting to post. That leads to it feeling like a chore. That leads to it feeling like a 9 to 5. You started your YouTube channel because you didn't want a 9 to 5. You wanted to leave your 9 to 5. But based off the method of just relying on ads and sponsorships and affiliates, like, you probably have to continue your 9 to 5, and that's just a sad truth. So YouTubers, I kind of want to make this video just as a rant because, like, I mean, no one else is gonna tell you this. Everyone's gonna just tell you the stupid kind of tips and tricks that don't really help you. Get more views, get more subscribers. Shut up. It doesn't matter if you don't have a specific offer that you're selling to your audience. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, what's the point? You don't own the attention. They're just watching you and they're gonna move on to the next person. Don't just rely on views and subscribers. Like, Modern Millie is a perfect example. Even Hamza is a perfect example. Hamza had 2 million subscribers. It was still going broke. Modern Millie, 100K a year, that's 7K a month, and that's before taxes. So what are we going to do? What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to create an offer, sell that offer, get results for these people, and then scale the offer. That is the step-by-step formula. That is how you get financially free. That is how you create income and time freedom. That's how you actually create the life you want and help your family and the people that are around you. These people I have not particularly worked with. These case studies I have not particularly worked with. But look at all the people who are printing hundreds of thousands of dollars just with these strategies. Like Neural Knowledge, 100K subscribers in 5 weeks, $12,000 a month to $100,000 a month with only 100K subscribers. William Brown, 450 freaking $1,000 from YouTube alone with only 70,000 subscribers. While you, with your donkey self, has 250K subscribers, trying to rely on AdSense, trying to message that next company for the next sponsorship, and trying to rely on people clicking your affiliate link so that you can make money and pay rent on your overpriced car for the month, on your rent for the month, on your food for a month. I'm not trying to be rude. I just want you to be real that there's a better way. There is a better way. You don't have to do that weak stuff. That it keeps you in the content slavery hamster wheel. Keeps you burnt out. Keeps you not wanting to post on YouTube. It keeps you having an audience that just watches you and then clicks on to the next video because, like, I mean, where do they have to go after they watch your video? To the next video, cool. But then where do they have to go after that? Own your attention, create an offer, sell to these people, and help them with their biggest problems that they have. William Brown, $450,000 a month with only 70,000 subscribers. Sergio Guitari, $600,000 a month with a channel with only 46K subscribers. 100K a month he was making as well with a channel with less than 10K subscribers as well. This is my client. I'm going to hide his name, but he had less than $1,000 a month from AdSense and sponsorships with 70K subscribers before working with me. Now we're about to scale him to about the 40, 50K, 60K cash collector launch campaign. This is the truth. Me, same strategies I'm using to sit around the 20K a month mark. I have 31 subscribers. Exact same strategies I'm going to use to scale to 100 million to $1 million a month, $100,000 a month, whatever the case may be. I'm yapping, but I'm just trying to get through this because I'm just trying to show you this. John Mark Stevenson, $100,000 a month, 28,000 subscribers. Charlie Morgan, millions of dollars a year, 185K subscribers. Elmer, 59K subscribers. 59K a month, 423K subscribers. First Man, 20K a month, 165K subscribers. Matthew Larson, millions of dollars a year, 50K subscriber channel. Bailey, $25,000 a month, 44.6K subscriber channel. Max Pierzon, $200,000 a month, 60K subscribers channel. All these guys are educational or informational YouTubers. So, like I said, these people aren't exactly my. These people aren't clients. These aren't, except the client, obviously, and me. These people aren't clients. These aren't people I even help. But these are just examples of other people who are similar to you in a whole bunch of different niches who are doing the exact same thing using the exact same systems. Listen, I'm here to just wake you up and tell you the truth. I can help you implement all of these strategies, all the systems, all the infrastructure into your channel so that you don't have to do it at all. We do this done for you. We'll help you create your offer, do your marketing, do your launch campaign, your 2 launch campaigns, get customer results, create a product, scale the product, help your content. We do the entire systems. We help you from the current situation to the end situation. We get you to $10,000 to $100,000 a month in minimum 120 days. We solve every single part of the gap for you. We implement our system into your business, into your YouTube channel, so that you can achieve the life and results that these people are getting as well. You have to make a change. No one's gonna make the change for you. That's all I have for you. My name is Divine Awaga, founder of D-Ways Acquisition. I hope this helps you. I hope this kind of wakes you up so that you can realize, like, I mean, no one's coming to save you. If you want to escape the chains and content slavery of AdSense and sponsorships and your YouTube channel, I mean, this is for you. So let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.